The main difference between DEF Scuba Explorer training and regular open water training is that the Scuba Explorer has the high level and techniques of the Explorer. So we're using the same Explorer techniques from the very foundation. And this is going to allow the Scuba Explorer to eventually join into training and then go into the exploration projects. The DEF program is just one. It's the Scuba Explorer. And the Scuba Explorer is a diver that is independent, and this independent diver can go diving in various environments in open water, like night diving, deep diving, nitrox diving. They can dive with dry suits, and we start with a single tank side mount configuration. The DEF Scuba Explorer program is designed in one 7-day course. However, the 7-day course can be cut in steps, like recreational 1 or recreational 2, 4 days each. Or you can even take independent steps, open water, advanced, rescue, nitrox, and helium nitrox programs.